Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. I hope that you will be fine and doing great. My name is Parsa Azam. In this video I am going to discuss about chemistry in our day-to-day life. Chemistry is in community, health, environment, medicine, industry, science, teaching, research and youth. Chemistry is all around us. Chemistry is a big part of our daily life. You can find chemistry in daily life in the food you eat. Food is the biomolecules. Biomolecules are the substance found in living bodies like carbohydrate, protein, fats and lipids. All these are the chemicals. So we can find chemistry in food. The air you breathe, you can find chemistry. Air is full of different chemicals like oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, carbon dioxide. All these are the chemical elements. So we can find chemistry in the air. Your soul, your emotion and literally every object you can see or touch, you can find chemistry. Even our body is made up of number of chemicals like 65% oxygen, 18% carbon, 10% hydrogen and 3% nitrogen. And if we ill, we use medicine. The medicine is also a chemical. Here's a look at few everyday chemistry. The soap which we use in daily life, it is chemistry. Soap is made up of the chemical substance. Soaps are the cleaning agent and usually made up by reacting alkyls like sodium hydroxide with naturally occurring fat or fatty acid. The reaction produces sodium salt of these fatty acid, which improve the cleaning process by making the water better able to lift away greasy stain from skin, hair, clothes and just about anything else. As a substance that help clean bodies as well as possession, soap has been useful. Water we drink is chemistry. Water is made up of chemicals like hydrogen and oxygen. Water is a transparent fluid which form the world stream, lakes, ocean and river, and it is a major constituent of the fluid organism. As a chemical compound, a water molecule contain one oxygen and two hydrogen atom. जो वाटर जो होता है ये हमारे पास तीन स्टेट में एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है. आई स्टेट में कर सकता है हमारे पास, लिक्विड स्टेट में और गैसियस स्टेट में. इट कैन आल्सो एग्जिस्ट एज स्नो, फॉग, ड्यू एंड क्लाउड. Oil which we use is chemistry. Oil include the classes of chemical compound that otherwise unrelated in structure, properties and uses. Oil has a saturated or unsaturated. Oils may be animal, vegetables or protochemicals in origin and may be a volatile and non-volatile. They are used for food, fuel, lubrication and the manufacture of पेंट, प्लास्टिक एंड अदर मटेरियल. जो हमारे पास ऑयल होता है ये सिर्फ हम खाने के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, बल्कि ऑयल हम फ्यूल के तौर पर, लुब्रिकेशन के तौर पे और यहाँ तक कि हम लोग पेंट्स और प्लास्टिक के अंदर और अदर मटेरियल्स को बनाने के लिए भी ऑयल को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. स्पेशली प्रिपेयर ऑयल्स आर यूज सम रिलीजियस सेरेमोनिक्स एज प्योरीफाइंग एजेंट, और ऑयल को हम प्योरीफाइंग एजेंट के तौर पर भी यूज़ करते हैं. वाई ओनियन मेक यू क्राई. जब हम प्याज काटते हैं तो हमारे आंखों से आंसू क्यों आता है, इसके अंदर भी केमिस्ट्री है. अनलेस यू हैव अवॉइडेड कुकिंग यू आर प्रोबेबली कच ऑनियन एंड एक्सप्रेस द बर्निंग एंड टेयरिंग यू गेट फ्रॉम द वेपर. जब हम किसी ऑयल को कट करते हैं तो हम उसके सेल्स को ब्रेक करते हैं, और जैसे हम सेल को ब्रेक करते हैं रिलीजिंग देयर कॉन्टेंट अमाइनो एसिड सल्फो ऑक्साइड फ्रॉम सल्फेनिक एसिड. Enzymes they were kept separate now are free and mixed with the sulfonic acid to produce etholic S oxide, a volatile sulfur compound that wafts upward toward our eyes. This gas reacts with the water in our tears to form a sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid burns, stimuli our eyes, release more tears to wash irritant away. Importance of chemistry in our daily life. Everything is made up of chemistry. Chemistry is all around us. Many of the change we absorb in around, we say that caused by the chemical reaction. Chemistry is very important because it helps to know the composition, structure and change of matters. All the matter is made up of chemistry. In our daily life, various chemicals are being used, various form. Some of these are being used for food, some of these are used cleaning, some are used for medicine and etc. Body is made up of chemical compound which are combination of element. Probably now our body is mostly water, which is hydrogen and oxygen. Conclusion. Now we say about this PowerPoint presentation that chemistry is all around us, but the only thing is that we need to observe it carefully and notice everything around us. We appreciate the work of scientists who observe those things and brought it tell us. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.